If you are having a hard time understanding a complex information, then what you can also do is you can simplify it out. Let's say, for example, I want to simplify out this launch information about Google Gemini right here. So I'm just going to go around and paste this information and say simplify the given information right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, then what happens is that it simply simplifies it out in key points, as you can see. So instead of reading all of these, I now know that these are the key points. So it's about Gemini, and it's Google's powerful AI model powering the app. Language support available in English and in 9 Indian languages, as you can see right here. Integration is Gemini is integrated with Google Messages for drafting, brainstorming, and planning, and for features offers a range of features include beyond basic chat, including assistance with various tasks as well. And now it says initially launched in India with plans for wider global rollout right here, just like this. And this is according to what we saw around over here. And that is how you can utilize Google Gemini to simplify complex information as well and get it in a more simple, understandable manner. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.